Toilet. Walang bayad. Co-op. Yes, co-op. Yes, you can go there for free. Okay, next. Mall. Yeah, mall. Is this Asian Platz? Not yet. No. I am at the back of Theater Basel here. How's work over there? Work here is okay. The work ethics and also your colleagues, yeah, mixed culture, mixed nationalities, but it's still fine. So which area is this one? If I'm going there, we've been there already. Watching from New Zealand, yeah, Dong Xiang, thank you for joining. New Zealand is my dream country in 2010. Woohoo! And they want to be shown in the camera. Meron mga taong gusto mahagip ng camera, so it's fine. Okay, sa construction, go there. Ang construction dito, magandang trabaho yan, pero yung mga nagtatrabaho dito, parang nakikita ko galing East Europe. Yung mga taong malalaking tao. Wala ako nakita dito ang construction worker na Pinoy. Dito sa lugar namin, wala. Kasi sa harap ng hotel, may construction eh. Yung mga workers doon, ibang lahi. Okay. Pero magandang sweldo ng construction dito. Happy watching from Philippines. Hello, Sine. Thank you for watching. Guys, hindi pa kayo natutulog. Ayos. Hindi ba kayo makatulog? Okay. Yeah, thank you for joining. Anyways, hindi na tayo. Okay, gala lang ako kaunti. Tapos, para makatulog na rin kayo. Pauwi na ako eh. Okay, happy watching TikTok. Beautiful. Ano work mo dyan? Sa hotel ako nag-work. Okay, ano pa ba? It's Leng. Thank you. Close na dito. Siyempre mga stores dahil po ay gabi na. Yeah. You are so beautiful. Ta-da. We have joy, we have fun, we have season in the sun. Anong oras diyan? Ay 8:04:06. Liwanag ng may unting gabi niya. Yeah, it's Leng. So 8:06 in the evening na po. Gusto niyo magtambay tayo doon sa tambayan ko? Oo, tambay tayo doon muna. Okay. Hold on. Alam niyo na kung saan ako magtatambay, guys, yung last natin stop before I uwi, bago ako umuwi. Uso pa pala dito ang telephone na ganito. Ayan ngayon pala nakita ito. Bakit may telephone? Wala bang cellphone? Okay, amazing. Okay, gusto niyo makakita ng trams, iba't ibang kulay, then let's go. Nakita ko dito ng toilet isang araw. Saan ba yun siya? Lumagpas na ako. Oh no. Nilabas yung toilet nyo. This is a hotel, a restaurant. Here. Kaso lang, dito dati yun. Okay, never mind. Sana na lang ako sa train mamaya. Kakayanin ko to. We have joy, we have fun, we have season in the sun. Ano po work dyan para sa mga Pinoy? Hello Mark Anthony. Mark Anthony. Meron akong kaibigan si Mark Anthony. Pero baka pahawig lang kayo ng pangalan. Mga para sa Pinoy, open naman ito sa para sa sa mga trabahong IT. Pag information technology ka, medyo maganda siya kasi international company ang kung halimbawa international company ang papasukan mo, hindi mo naiisipin yung German language kasi syempre English ang gagamitin. Okay. Tapos trabaho rin dito pwede sa Pinoy yung healthcare, nurses natin, finance, mga ganun, research work. Yep, pwede sa Pinoy. Maraming nurses dito. Actually, na kami dito mga 10,000 plus na mga Filipinos dito. Maliit lang. Karamihan sa atin nasa Geneva. International kasi ang Geneva. Friends ang salita roon. Guys, dito ang huli kong tambayan. Huwag kayo magsasawa rito. Yeah, this is my last spot here. Para magbasa lang ako ng mga nyo. Oh! Gets do nach Hause. Ja, nakum. Hello kuya, hello Jewel. Gabi na Jewel. Okay, hanap mo ako ng fake taxi. Hanap mo ako ng... Anong fake taxi you mean? Okay, taxi here is very expensive. Okay, Nguyen. Hi man, I'm just a man 12-year-old and I want to go Switzerland. Do you think we'll come in the... Yeah, but you're minor. Yeah, you can come. I just finish your study first. Nguyen. Just finish your study. Then that's the time that you plan coming here. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. This is an open country. Anyone can come here as long as we comply the requirements. Yeah, you can. You're only 12-year-old. A lot of things. Ay, hanap mo ako fake taxi. Barong fake taxi. Kayo na. Ano po yan? Nasagot ko na to. Si Ngoye. Hello. Guest Junaya. Sgehe Nakhause. Iban. Who is this? Yeah, in Basel. Mark Anthony. Okay, magkano po budget para sa lifestyle? Magastos ba? Lifestyle kasi it's a relative term. Katulad ko, hindi naman ako maluhong tao. Yeah, hindi ako maluho. Kami ni asawa, Swiss asawa ko. Pero ang lifestyle namin, yung sinasabi natin na mabuhay tayo ayon sa kinikita natin. Ganon din dito kasi ang pansin ko sa bansang ito, yung mga locals dito, Swiss people, hindi sila magarbo. Oo, hindi katulad sa atin na pag bagong sweldo, bili ng bag, bili ng shoes, bili kung ano-ano. Sila hindi. Sa kanila, ang 10 Swiss francs sa kanila, parang ang laking-laking amount na sa kanila yun. Kaya kung namimili sa halimbawa sa supermarket, kailangan tiyakin talaga nila yung madampot nila ay yung mga bagay na gusto nila. Kahit sa fruits, kahit ano. Kasi dito lahat may bayad sa supermarket, yung bag may bayad, yung mga kaya dito pag ang isang tao rito pumunta sa supermarket, mayroong dala yang sariling bag. Kahit anong bag yan, may sariling dala, kahit mga nakapurma yan sila. Kahit mga galing sa work yan, kung nagsusupermarket sila, mga nakapurma pa galing work, corporate work, or anumang work, mayroong bag yan. Hindi yan katulad sa atin na takot. Sa Pilipinas, pag nakapurma ka, ayaw mo magbitbit ng plastic, di ba? Iba dito, mga tao dito, mga low profile, kahit may kaya sa buhay, hindi sila nagsasayang. Ang kanilang tingin ko, ang kanilang pinagkakaabalahan pag weekends, exercise. hiking, skiing, walking, jogging, lahat na pwede nilang gawin. Hindi sila nagsasayang ng oras na pumunta sa sabong, pupunta sa tsugal. Hindi sila ganung klaseng tao. Kaya dito, tumatagal. So ako naman kasi salta ako rito, diba? So na-adapt ko yung kanilang ugali. Tsaka dito guys, I have to say something. You cannot go... Hello. Ay. You want camera? 9. Want to show here?
Yeah.
Hello. Where are you from? India. America. From America.
Yeah.
So you are here for how many days?
We were here for 3 months. 3 weeks.
3 months.
Yeah, 3 weeks. We leave this Thursday.
Okay. You enjoy here.
Yeah,
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, it's so pretty.
So you've been to other places? Or only here in
We
Basel?
went to Germany and France.
Okay. But here in Switzerland, you go somewhere?
Yeah, we went on like a boat. Like the boat with the lake.
Interlaken.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Museum.
Yeah, museum. Good that you are enjoying here.
Yes, are you just showing
Yeah,
the place?
here. This is an international page. I have TikTok live.
She follows you?
Thank you. Where are you from? I'd been to New York last 2024. New York, New Jersey, and Maryland.
I'm from North Carolina.
Carolina. Yeah.
That's very different.
Yep. All right. Thank you. Bye bye.
See ya.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. All right, guys. From the US. Natawa ako kasi busy ako sa kakakwento sa inyo tapos may sumisigaw pala sa tabi. Hello guys, Yuban, magkano budget para sa lifestyle? Magastos ba? No, it depends. So ano ba sinasabi ko kanina? I'm saying that you cannot go your friend house without an invitation. Because in the Philippines, you can go to your friend any time of the day. Like, okay, I want to go to your place, then yeah, you can eat there. You have a dinner or lunch, or it depends. But here, it's not like that. It's not like that. You have to inform them. You have to inform them in advance that you are going there. And also, they don't like prepare something special. Whatever food that they have, it's just like that. They eat salad, and that's salad. If they eat fruits, then that's the fruit. Unlike in the Philippines, we have to really prepare something special. But here, it's just like that. They don't like noise. Yeah, that's true. They don't like noisy people. Especially if you're living in an apartment. Make sure weekends it should be a sacred days for them. Yeah, no noise. Yeah, because they can report you, and they can eject you from that apartment. So respect is very important here. The privacy, you should observe the privacy of each and individual here. So it's nice to live this kind of country, right? It's no shower after 20. No shower. I'm not familiar with this no shower. Yeah, you are here now.
Oh yeah,
No, I will not film you. No worries. I will not film. I will not film you. What time is there right now? Now is 8:18. Yeah. Okay, natakot yung isa maano. Okay, no shower. They don't like noise. Yes, that's true. All is good. Hello, Baker. City side ng Swiss. No, this is not city side. Actually, this is part of the Centrum Basel Stadt. Stadt is city. But here is the train station in this area. And the tram terminals as well. Yahoo! Alles gut. Dankeschön. Alright, here they don't like. Okay, no shower, Bahnhof. And what time is there? Sana all nasa BGC. Hello Peter, punta ka dito Peter. Malaki magbike ka lang. Magbike ka papunta dito sa BGC. Sa BGC, nagwork ako sa BGC for 6 years. Yeah, 6 years I work. Back in the Philippines, I work as an accountant. I worked for 27 years. Yeah, I started working in Makati, then MOA, Mall of Asia, then in BGC, my last company. Yeah, is Australian company. So a lot of building going on now in town. Trams not going regular route. Yes, that's true. That's true. Yeah, it's a national. And another thing here, if there is a road improvement or construction or whatsoever, it's a national construction. It's not like in my country back in the Philippines. If we have road expansion in something in EDSA, that's the only thing. But here, no, it's national. And I do research about this because I am curious why they are doing this like almost every year. So I did some research and it says that Tagalog. Kaya sila nagko-construct sa halip na sila ay mag-build ng bago. Bakit? Kasi yung mga daanan nila, dinadaanan to na iba't ibang klase ng sasakyan. So isa yun na kumbaga na ano rin, kumbaga yung mga tingnan mo yung road nila, hindi naman to semento yung iba eh. Parang alkitran ata to, di ko alam. Parang ganun. So nasisira din sila dahil sa gamit ng mga motorista. And another thing, yung pag-change ng season dito, ng panahon. 'Di ba? 4 na season dito, merong winter, merong summer, merong autumn, merong spring. So may mga chances din na yung kanilang mga tubo sa ilalim napapasukan ng tubig, parang ganun. So kailangan nila i-repair lang. So hindi kinakailangan magtayo kasi nga nagtitipid sila. 'Yun ang sabi ng aking nakalap ko sa research. A lot of buildings going down. Join from Mexico. Hello Carmen. Hello. Ni Nachos. I have a friend Nachos, but he's from Spain. Hello. Saan po yung may train sa bundok? Marami siya, no? Maraming lugar dito na mayroong train sa bundok. So it's like funicular. We call it funicular. Small train going up to the mountain, like going to top of Europe, something like that. And another thing, they have also gondola. If you want to go up in Alps, like in Jungfrau, Glacier 3000, yeah, there are gondolas. Gondola, yung mas malaki yun kaysa cable car. Ang cable car, ang laman dito siguro mga 3 o 5 or 6. Ay hindi, depende sa laki. Pero ang gondola it accommodates like 50 to 100 ata katao. Lalaki ng gondola, nakakatakot. Okay, good morning. Hello Carmen. Saan po yung train sa bundok? Okay, nasagot ko na ito. Di po ba mahirap diyang kumuha ng visa sa tourist? Magkano